Okay, so what we're going to do here, Tiffany, is we're going to do a scrap bow. And so I'm going to take several different ribbons, different tops and sizes of ribbons, and I'm going to layer them on top of each other. And it's good to use different sizes, but I only have I have a 2.5 inch and I have several 1.5 inch, but you can use 2 or 3 2.5 inch and then several 1.5 inch, but you want to use at least, you know, 3 to 5 ribbons when you're doing a scrap bow. And what I'm going to do is I'm cutting it to 10 inches. And so I've laid this down and I'm cutting, actually we're going to do 11 inches because we want about a 5-inch bow, and that's going to give some playroom. So I've got my first piece here, and then what I'll do from there, instead of measuring all of them, I'm just going to layer it. And so I want 2 bows, and so I'm just going to lay on top of here and cut all of my pieces. Okay, and I'm going to do at least 2 of these per bow of this 2.5 inch burlap that I have. I'm going to do at least 2 per bow. Okay. Okay, see here I have my colors, and this is how I'm going to layer. I'm going to do 2. Okay. Then you're going to take your zip tie. Okay, we have the bow in there. Now let's cut the end of it off. Dovetail ends. Okay, so you just want to spread out your little scrap bow that you have here, just so that you can see all of your colors in it and what it looks like. And that's your finished product. The only thing that you need to do to cover up your zip tie. And then you're able to tie them.